Vinesh, how are you today? Great. So here's the first question. How long have you and what do you enjoy the most about working in APU? Do you have any hobbies? We hear that you're a huge Spurs fan. Do you think that they can finish in the top 4 next season?
Hoping top 4
Do you cook? What's your best dish? Great. What would you consider to be your most prized possession and why? What's your favorite genre of music and band? Scrabble or Monopoly?
Cash in hand, ability to own property, place, all railway stations.
Where is your most preferred place in the world you have or would like to travel to? Who was your childhood role model? If you were given the power to change the world, what's the first thing you would change? Who's your favorite celebrity? What's your most joyous and unforgettable experience? Do you have any pets? If you could be any superhero, who would you be? So here's your last question. What's the best advice you were ever given and would you mind sharing it with us? Alright, that is all. Thank you so much for having us today.